Did you know that most radar detectors being sold today are nothing but new car detectors? Several years ago, car manufacturers have been installing collision avoidance devices, and soon these devices will become mandatory in all new cars sold here in the U.S. The problem is that most of these blind spot, adaptive cruise control, and parking assist sensors is that most of them utilize the same K-band radar frequency that police use to enforce traffic laws. Thus, most of the detectors being sold today have become nothing but new car detectors and are completely worthless in protecting you against the threat of a real police radar gun. To Escort's credit, they were the first radar detector manufacturer to respond to this increasing threat of these anti-collision systems in the development of their patented TSR, or traffic sensor rejection filtering software. And then Escort took the next step by developing their new DSP, digital signal processing algorithms used today in their Passport and their Passport Max and Max 2 detectors. In 2014, Car and Driver magazine did a comprehensive comparison test of the Escort Max and the Valentine 1 radar detectors. And here's what they had to say about the Valentine 1. One annoyance is the sense of false alarms. The Valentine's filtering is not very effective. On her 22-mile loop, the V1 called out 53 threats in its most selective mode. And here's what they had to say about the Passport Max. Passport uses a new type of digital signal processing which can reduce false alarms from some non-police radar sources. Think of DSP as a pair of Bose noise-canceling headphones for radar reporting. By reliably identifying noise, the Escort Passport Max can focus on real police threats, leading to faster and more accurate warnings. So do you want a detector that will alert you to real police radar threats, or a device that will annoy the hell out of you by alerting to each new car that you pass? Because these anti-collision avoidance systems have had such a negative impact on the radar detector industry, it's become a top priority for myself and my staff to test and rank the effectiveness of the filtering characteristics of the detectors that are sold today, and here are my top picks. Number 1, the Passport Max and Max 2. Both the Passport Max and the Max 2 utilize Escort's newest digital signal processing software and a new antenna design called the M5. The result is that both the Max and Max 2 are two of the best radar detectors on the market today, which are able to identify the DNA signature of a real police radar threat, while also being able to filter out those annoying false alerts. Number 2, the Passport. The Passport also utilizes Escort's newest DSP technology. However, it's still based on Escort's M4 antenna design that is used in the older 8500s X50 and the 9500iX. Because of this, the overall range and performance of the Passport is less than the Max and Max 2. And then lastly, the Escort Redline. The Escort Redline utilizes Escort's M3 antenna design, along with its unique DSP technology, enabling it not only to be stealth to all radar detectors, but also enables it to filter out many of the annoying false alerts caused by those anti-collision sensors. Now, if you do have any questions or concerns which radar detector is best suited for you, you're welcome to contact me 24/7 using my personal email address of radarroy@radarbusters.com or visiting our website at radarbusters.com. This is Radar Roy from radarbusters.com. Please remember, drive safe, drive smart, but most of all, drive protected.